When was the last time you cleaned your fridge? Because I haven't cleaned mine since we moved in, and that was over a year ago. Today we are going to empty this fridge, clean this fridge, and organize this fridge because, quite frankly, it's a train wreck. It's the beginning of the year, it's January 3rd, we're gonna deal with it, and then we're not gonna clean it again until next year. So this is what our fridge looks like right now. It's not terrible, but it definitely needs cleaning, and I'd love to just organize it a bit better. So first off, I'm just gonna empty the fridge of all the food. We have emptied the fridge and it's not that bad. I thought it would be worse. So I'm gonna go through what's expired. There's just a few things that need to be chucked out, but not too bad. Like this Jell-O is like a month old. This is gonna go in the garbage. This is empty. Just let me show you what we're dealing with now that I've emptied it. So you can see each shelf is pretty nasty, and the drawers are as well. I think we'll give it a spray with the Method all-purpose cleaner. It smells amazing and it's naturally derived. Next, we're gonna take out all the shelves as best we can because, as you can see, access is phenomenal to this fridge. This explains why we don't get around to cleaning it as often as we should. Sparkly now. Looks pretty good.
The bottom here has some scratches and it looks dirty, but I think it's just because it's like permanent. The drawer has scratched the surface of the plastic, but it is all clean now. I wasn't able to get this out, but I wiped it down, so that's good. I think we're ready to now clean the drawers and the shelves and pop them back in. I got all the shelves cleaned and put back in. Everything is sparkling clean. One thing that some people like to do at this point is use like liner and put that on the shelf, or you can actually use cling wrap. I'm not gonna do either because I don't really feel like it, because these come out pretty easily and I can just wash them, but that's something you can do if you want to. One thing I am gonna do is, because the bottoms of the drawers get pretty mucky with peel and stuff like that, I'm gonna just pop some paper towel just at the bottom like that, and then it'll be really easy to just pop it out and replace it. And now that everything is clean, we're gonna move on to the best part, at least for me, and that's organizing. Earlier this week, we faced the Vancouver rain and went to Dollarama to look for some cheap containers. I made sure to measure my fridge shelves so that I had a rough idea of what size containers I needed. What did we say? 15 by 10. Oh no, these will fit. This is actually great. I kind of like clear because then you can see what's in it. I ended up getting 2 small and 3 big containers. The large containers cost $4 each and the small ones are $3.50 each. I also got 2 glass airtight containers, but they're not in this shot. You'll see them in a second. Figure out configurations now for my new containers. See what looks good, what works. So I don't know if this is the final configuration or not. I think I just need to kind of put things in the containers and see what makes sense, and then maybe I'll move things around again. we're done. It's been like 3 hours, but we're done, and I can't wait to show you. All right, let's do this.
As you can see, the fridge isn't currently super packed with food. But the way we set things up, we'll be able to fit plenty more groceries while still keeping everything nice and organized. I also wanted to make sure we had enough room for leftovers and meal prep.
I think it looks so good. I'm so happy. And like amazingly, we even have a leftover, like a whole empty acrylic bin here. I actually didn't think I had bought enough. We've actually even fit in a few more things that weren't in the before pictures. So it's fantastic. I'm really, really happy with it. What do you guys think? So you may be wondering why I didn't put anything in the produce drawers. I normally do, but I'm trying out a new thing because everything I put in the drawers, I seem to just forget about. So what I wanted to do was move them up so that I can actually see what I have. And potentially actually just store things like non-perishable, things that aren't going to go bad in the drawers. Another thing about fruit and vegetables, some people like to wash and chop their fruit and veg as soon as they buy it and then put it in the fridge so that it's prepped and ready to go to like encourage healthy snacking. Personally, I prefer to wash my fruit and veg the moment I use it because it retains more nutritional value. So I actually bought a mix of glass and plastic containers to organize my fridge. These ones are glass, and these ones are all plastic. Now the plastic ones are BPA free, so they're not gonna leach crap into my food, which is good. I know that it's not great to buy plastic, but on the other hand, I am gonna use these for years to come because they're so versatile. They can be used in virtually any room in my home. So yeah, sorry. I don't know. Sorry, I bought plastic.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to organize your fridge as well. I make videos about quick and easy ways to transform your home on a budget, so if this is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing. It would help me out a lot, and that way you won't miss my upcoming videos. Thanks again!